Looking for one of the best half-day activities while staying in Cambrils or nearby Salou? We took a 3-hour catamaran cruise from Cambrils Marina to find out what the full experience is really like, what is included, whether it works for families, and whether it is worth adding to your Costa Dorada holiday. The trip is operated by Crewers Costa Dorada. They operate more than one catamaran, including Ocean Fly and Blue Diamond. We sailed on Ocean Fly, while some of the drone footage later in this video shows Blue Diamond, so this video is about the overall catamaran experience rather than a review of just one individual boat. The cruise starts at Cambrils Marina, around 15 minutes from Salou by car. Boarding is straightforward, and once everyone is on board, the catamaran leaves the harbour and heads along the Costa Dorada coastline. There is covered seating, open deck space, and the popular nets at the front. If you want a place on the nets, arrive early because those spots fill up quickly. The first part of the journey is very relaxed. You can enjoy the sea breeze, watch Cambrils disappear behind you, and take in the views as the boat heads out into the Mediterranean. After around an hour, the catamaran anchors in a peaceful bay near Cap Salou for the main swimming stop. For us, this was easily the highlight of the trip. You can jump directly into the sea, swim around the catamaran, or simply float near the boat. There is enough time to enjoy the water without feeling rushed. Life jackets and flotation equipment are available. For families with young children, the experience is manageable, but an adult needs to stay beside them and supervise them constantly in the water. Our daughter was cautious at first, but once she felt secure in her flotation jacket, she really enjoyed being in the sea. We even briefly spotted a couple of stingrays beneath the surface. It lasted only a moment, but it was one of those unexpected details that made the swimming stop even more memorable. Once everyone is back on board, food and drinks are served. The food is simple, so this is not a luxury dining cruise, but after swimming, it works well as part of the overall experience. On our trip, water, soft drinks, beer, and sangria were included. After the swimming stop, the atmosphere becomes much more relaxed. People dry off, settle into their seats, or stretch out on the nets while the catamaran begins the journey back towards Cambrils. This is where the wider shots and drone footage really show the scale of the catamaran and the beauty of the Mediterranean coastline. The aerial footage was filmed from land as Blue Diamond sailed near the coast, giving us a completely different view of the catamaran from above. So, is a 3-hour catamaran cruise from Cambrils worth doing? For us, yes. The swimming stop is the strongest part of the experience, but the combination of sailing, time in the water, food, drinks, and coastal views makes it a very enjoyable half-day activity. It works for couples, groups of friends, and families, provided young children are supervised carefully. Just set the right expectations. This is a relaxed sightseeing and swimming excursion, not a private yacht or luxury cruise. If you are staying in Cambrils Salou or elsewhere on the Costa Dorada and want something different from another day at the beach, this is an experience we would recommend. If this video helped you, subscribe to One World Explorers for more practical travel guides from Spain and beyond. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next adventure.